Hello children, today we are going to discuss what if scenarios in OpenOffice Calc. So what do we do about that? Like if we are using a formula as you studied in earlier classes, suppose let us take a very simple example of calculating a simple interest. So you can take up principal any amount and then rate any amount, you can take 3% and then time we can take 2 years suppose. And to calculate the simple interest, what do we need to do is, as you know, the formula starts with an equal to sign. I give the cell address of principal amount, multiply rate, click on the rate cell, then again I click on multiply, then the time, and I press enter and I get the rate of interest, that is principal into rate into time, right? This is one amount. If the principal is 1000, rate is 3 and time is 2, the interest is 6000. Now we can calculate different the interest with different values of principal, rate and time, as you know. So we can change the value of the principal, we can change the value of rate or time, whatever, the interest will be varying in that way. So I select this block, I go to tools, here I have scenarios. Here the default name of scenario in the create scenario dialog box is sheet 1 scenario 1. I can rename my scenario as S1 suppose. I can give any comment if I want, otherwise my name, date and time are written in the comment box. And I can change the border of the block of scenario if you want. And I click OK. So this is the first scenario I get. The name of the scenario is displayed here, S1. And I can see I've got one scenario over here, right? Then second scenario can be if you want to change the principal. I want to change the principal to 2000 suppose and see what is the interest. Look here, the interest will be changed to 12,000 by multiplying all the three elements, that is principal, rate and time. Now this block I need to save as a second scenario, so I can select this and I again go to tools, again scenarios. Here I can give the name as S2 and I can give any comment if I want to and OK. This is my second scenario. Again if I want to change, I can take up third one, 3000 suppose, and I see the rate change if I click here. So interest has changed. Now this again I select this block, again I go to tools, scenarios, and you can create as many scenarios as you want with different values of different elements. Like it cannot be only principal, it can be rate, time, anything you want to change. So the interest will be recalculated. So here this arrow, this indicates the different scenarios that I have created. So you can click on any of the scenario and see that scenario, the second scenario, the third scenario, the first scenario, right? So we have different scenarios here which we have created. So what if means what will happen if the value changes to this, what will happen if the value changes to this. So you can change the value and see the result and save that value and the result as one scenario.